dreamer, get your head out of the clouds. Put your gaze upon the ground that you are walking on. If only eyes could
Okay,
see,
very good. Can you make a line for me?
more absorbed by the
Okay, this one now.
reality beneath than what is seen. It is
You
the
use it in the last
ruggedness
chord.
and tenderness that's real.
Okay, very good. You make a line.
If only feet could see, I might feel the needs around me. Oh, hey, little dreamer, get your head out of the
Which
clouds.
one is the same?
Put your gaze upon the ground that you
Okay, the orange and the banana, they have the same color. What else? Very good. The chili and the cherry. Can you check these two for
covered
me?
emotions covering truth.
Can you tell me what it is?
I pass over
Louder, Jessie.
What else is one? Let's number.
the tender hearted seeds underfoot. I overlook
One and very good. This one?
of a dreamer.
Oh. Alright, can you tell me the names of these fruits? An apple? A grape. Very good. Chili. Orange. Cherry and banana. Which one has boy? Si Jassy, girl or boy? Girl, very good.
Louder,
Can you
louder.
circle for me, please? Can you encircle for me? Thank you.